So you ever have one of those things where it just goes way easier than you thought it was going to, and so you think you did something wrong? This was it. I had to double check to make sure I didn't miss anything. Hey there, welcome to the garage. A little bit different this week. You guys remember the mower I used to have that I did all the work on? Well, that was cool, but it kind of lost its will to live. Anyway, I have gotten a new mower. I replaced it with a Toro Timecutter Max. It's a really cool mower. It's got the My Ride system, which is a really great suspension seat system. I like everything about the mower, except it doesn't come with an hour meter. However, it does have a little place here where you can install one. There are some other videos out on the internet of people that bought, you can buy these hour meters. You can buy them on Amazon for just a few bucks. And I watched them install, and they kind of had a little bit of a hard time. Video that I saw, one guy, he bought one on Amazon. It was a lot cheaper. It was like 20 bucks. And he messed around with it for quite a while to cut on. He was like filing on the metal and just had to really mess with it. I actually went to the dealer. I paid probably 3 times as much. I think it was close to $55 for the hour meter. So I paid a lot more, but in theory, it should install a little better. So there's the cutout right there. Probably could just leave it in the mower, it'd be just as easy. I think I'm gonna do that. I could take all of this stuff off, but I don't think that's gonna be necessary. Kind of breaks off. So there's my little connector. It just kind of hangs down there. And this only goes in one way. No. It's got this extra prong. I'm not sure what that is for. Different mowers, maybe? I don't know. There we go. Okay. Snaps right in. The plug is right there. It plugs in. I don't know why they don't install it from the factory, but they don't. As you can see, the official one for Toro, it snaps right in. It's your call. Spend the money, make it easy to install, save 20, 30 bucks, and mess around with it. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Give me a thumbs up, help the algorithm, and had a little short video here. Hope you guys have a great Easter weekend. See you.